Welcome to this How to Draw Stuff tutorial where we are showing you how to draw a barbed wire pattern. Since it is a pattern, we will show you how to draw the individual parts, which you can then repeat. You can use it to add to existing illustrations, use as a border, or whatever you like. The barbed wire isn't likely to be in an exact straight line, so no need for a ruler. Our barbed wire pattern has 2 wires intertwined, but you can use only one if you prefer. We are drawing the lines separated into 4 parts, but you can use as many or as few as you like. We are going to draw the first barb. The barb has 4 prongs, 2 pointing up and 2 pointing down. They shouldn't be exactly straight, as it doesn't look as realistic if they are. We are starting by drawing the 2 on the left pointing up and down. Draw the coil in the middle and then finish with the 2 on the right side. By drawing another line parallel to the original, we are able to give greater dimension to the wire and make it look more realistic. This second wire is twisting in the opposite direction around the original wire. As we said, this is not necessary, but we think it gives a better look. Again, draw another parallel line to give depth. We draw another barb, this time starting with the coil and adding the pointing barbs after. Repeat for the other barbs. To finish off this barbed wire pattern, we are going to go over the pencil guidelines in pen. As you can see, we don't want to be too bold, but we do want to give it a little shading to make the barbs pop. Once you are happy with your pen lines, you can erase the pencil guidelines. Do the rest of the barbs and the connecting wire in pen, erasing as you go. Don't forget to let the pen ink dry before you erase. If you draw one of the lines of the wire a little heavier than the other, it makes it look like it has more depth. Now you can erase all the pencil guidelines. This is one row of the barbed wire pattern finished, so now you can simply repeat for as many pattern lines as you need. There we have our finished barbed wire pattern. Drop us a comment with how you might use this pattern in your art and share any ideas for future tutorials with us. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.